Well, my part finally came in, so we'll do an update on this. I'm going to throw this on, fill her up with antifreeze. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. I'll put the cover back on here. Make a couple slots in there. And we'll fire it up, take her for a ride. Well, there she is running. All the wrong way there. And working good. Looks like an airplane color. Do it on video. Like a car. No battery though. Just one battery. So can't really run it without a battery. I'll shut this off. Running like a truck. Rad Relocate looks pretty good. I'll be back in a bit when I get everything back together. Well, there it is, parked in the lineup of stuff. The one under the camo tarp might be my next project. And all kinds of projects here. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had quite a bit of fun playing around on it. I rode it for probably half an hour or so before I parked it. You don't have to see the whole thing. But the Rad Relocate worked really good and the fan works good. So I hope you enjoyed it. As my wife says, subscribe, give me some likes. Have a good day.